I'm going to show you two ways of providing voice feedback to students. The first way is to embed the voice comment within the student's work itself. The second way is to record to a cloud service and then give the student a link where they can play it themselves. Now I'm going to show you the first way to do it using Microsoft Word. Unfortunately, the way you do it is going to depend on which version of Word that you have. If you have early versions of Word 2007 or anything earlier, such as Word 2003, then the steps are a little simpler. You get to avoid a step. Let's imagine I want to put a voice comment right here in the student's work. I would click the spot where I want to put the comment. I'd go up to Insert, click Insert, go over to Object, click Object, and then I'll get a drop-down menu. When I come to this drop-down menu, I would see Wave Sound as an option. This is being recorded in Word 2010 and you don't see it. If you don't see it, you'll have to do it the second way I'm going to describe in a moment. If you do see Wave Sound as an option, you click that and then you're going to get this object opening up. This object says Sound Object, and it's essentially a recorder that allows you to record right into a Word document. You would click the red record button, start speaking. When you're done, you click stop recording, and the file would integrate itself right into the student's work. The student would see the file at the point where you left your cursor, and they would simply double click on it to open the file and listen to what you said. Now, unfortunately, Word removed that capacity in later versions 2007 and all versions of Word afterwards, such as 2010, 2013. For those of you who have these later versions, you're going to have to do an extra step. You're going to have to record outside of Word first and then drop the file into the Word document. You'll first go to your programs and search for Sound Recorder. There it is. Open that up, and if you're going to do this more than once, it's a good idea to simply leave it pinned to your taskbar. Now you can see this little item open up. You click Start Recording, and you simply start talking. Hi Mike, I noticed some things about your essay, and here they are. Now I'll click Stop Recording. I'll get a file. I'm just going to drop this on my desktop. Now I can close the sound recorder for now. And now I'm going to embed that file. And the process is going to be similar to what I did before. I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to go to Object. Click the Object drop-down. I'm going to come over here, but now I'm going to pick Package. And by the way, Package shows up twice in my version of Word, and don't ask me why. But I'm simply going to pick Package and click OK. Now I'm going to find that file that I just created. I'm going to hit Browse, go to my desktop, since that's where I know it is. Find it, open it. I can label it if I want to change it. I won't right now. Finish, and there it is. Now when the student double clicks it, it should play. Another option is to use a cloud-based service that records your voice to some website, and then you can give the student a link to that website so they can play it themselves. One simple service is called Vocero, but there are others as well. Notice all you have to do is click Record. You may have to allow it to use the flash settings. And now you can start talking. Mike, one thing I noticed about your essay is, I'll just stop now. I can listen if I want. And if I'm happy, I can just go click here to save. And notice that it gives me a link. Now all I have to do is copy and paste the link into the assignment, and the student can simply click it and get sent to this cloud-based service themselves. Either way will work. Give it a try.